culture of Wales is rich and diverse, rooted in a history that spans thousands of years and characterized by unique traditions. Historically, Wales has been known for its Celtic heritage, with the Welsh language Cymraeg still spoken by many, preserving an ancient linguistic tradition that dates back over a millennium. Wales is famous for its landscapes, including rugged mountains like Snowdonia and stunning coastlines, which have shaped its cultural identity and inspired countless stories and legends. Wales, a country part of the United Kingdom, has a rich and diverse culture that has been shaped over thousands of years. Its history includes ancient Celtic tribes, Roman occupation, and Norman influences, all of which contributed to its unique culture. The Welsh language, Cymraeg, is a core aspect of Welsh identity and has been preserved despite the dominance of English. Approximately 19% of the population in Wales can speak Welsh, according to recent statistics. Cultural festivals play a significant role in Welsh life, with the National Eisteddfod being the most prominent event. This annual festival celebrates Welsh literature, music, and performance arts, fostering national pride. Traditional Welsh music features instruments like the harp and the pibby, a type of bagpipe which are considered symbols of Welsh heritage. Welsh folk tales, such as those featuring mythical creatures like the Tylwyth Teg or fairy folk, are deeply embedded in the culture. The country is also famous for its myth of King Arthur, which is linked to historical sites and legends within Wales. In addition to cultural traditions, Wales is renowned for its contributions to literature, with poets like Dylan Thomas gaining international acclaim. The Welsh have a strong sense of community, which can be seen through local clubs, social events, and sports. Rugby is arguably the most popular sport in Wales, serving as a unifying activity and source of national pride. The Six Nations Championship, where Wales competes regularly, is watched passionately by fans across the country. Welsh cuisine includes traditional dishes such as cawl, a hearty lamb stew, and Welsh rarebit, a cheesy bread dish. The country's landscape also influences its culture, with picturesque mountains, valleys, and coastal areas, inspiring local art and crafts. Contributions to the arts extend beyond music and literature, as Welsh artists have gained recognition in visual arts and theatre. The Industrial Revolution significantly impacted Welsh culture, with communities thriving around coal mining and steel production. Today, Wales balances its industrial history with modern developments, promoting tourism centred on its natural beauty and heritage sites. Castles like Cardiff, Castle and Conwy Castle attract visitors and symbolise Wales's medieval history. Religious traditions, mainly Christianity, have historically played a role in shaping Welsh customs and community life. However, contemporary Wales is increasingly multicultural, with diverse communities enriching its cultural fabric. Celebrating cultural diversity, Welsh cities like Cardiff and Swansea host international festivals and events. Language preservation efforts continue, with government programs encouraging the use of Welsh in everyday life. Educational institutions like Aberystwyth University actively promote Welsh culture and language education. Religious and secular museums showcase the country's history, from prehistoric times to modern Wales. Remarkably, Wales maintains a deep connection to its natural environment, emphasizing conservation and outdoor activities. Hiking, surfing, and mountain biking are popular sports enjoyed by residents and tourists alike. People in Wales also practice traditional crafts such as wool weaving, pottery, and wood carving. Libraries, archives, and cultural centres have preserved folk songs, stories, and historical documents for future generations. Contemporary Welsh culture is a blend of tradition and innovation, with modern music festivals and art galleries flourishing in urban areas. Welsh film and theatre productions have gained international recognition, showcasing local stories and talent. The country is also known for its vibrant nightlife and culinary scene, blending traditional flavours with modern cuisine. Although Wales faces modern challenges, its strong cultural identity continues to thrive through education, art, and community initiatives. In essence, Wales's culture is a testament to resilience, creativity, and pride rooted in ancient history and ongoing tradition. The appreciation for storytelling, whether through song, legend, or literature, remains a vital part of Welsh life. This rich cultural tapestry makes Wales a fascinating country where history and modernity coexist beautifully. Understanding Welsh culture requires examining its language, traditions, arts, and history all at once. By doing so, one can appreciate how this small nation maintains a distinct identity within the United Kingdom. Welsh culture continues to evolve while honouring its ancestral roots and embracing new influences. Consequently, Wales remains a country of profound cultural significance and enduring heritage.